Hello friend, welcome to InfoSphere YouTube channel. This video detailing about how Gen Z uses social media and what that means for brands. So let's start my video. How Gen Z uses social media and what that means for brands. Table of content. Gen Z social media usage. Gen Z social media trends. Gen Z vlogs and two on social. Reaching Gen Z is crucial for longs terms brand health. Before the 1960s, young people were seen as the indesirable marketing audience and mostly ignore everything changes with baby boomers. They were our largest and most influential generations in the whole history of modern consumers, yet their social movement and corporate distributors confused advertisers who had to completely refine their playbook. Sounds familiar? Since then, marketers have been trying to reach a revolving door of youth generations from boomers to Gen X to millennials and how to boomers and Gen Alpha reaching young people and penetrating trend culture has become a consistent hurdle. Casey Lewis, social media consultant, author behind the after school newsletters and expert of social trends among younger audience, sums it up like this: any brand not actively trying to reach Gen Z and Gen Alpha is doing themselves a deserves when you don't care to be the ZGS. They are our future consumers. So you need to have them in mind, even if you are not trying to reach them today. After decades of consistently marketing to young people, marketers are again inspired by a new generation like boomers before them. Gen Z represented a new kind of consumer, digital native, who are increasingly sensical, driven by ethical cause, and are chronically online. Are they? They are more dysteric than their producers, which frustrating marketers trying to observably crack the code on how to effectively reach them without seeming individually cringe. In this guide, we explain how Gen Z want brands to show up on social media and what is take to market to them the right way. Gen Z social media usage. Gen Z has never known a world without social media on the internet is embedded in their daily lives and serves as their go-to channel for information, events, beating out popular search engines. When we ask Lewis how to she world describe the way Gen Z uses social, she responded, "A better question is how they don't they use social? They use it before for everything as they respect brand for use it's before everything too, from customer service to commerce discovery to community. Data is backs this up compared to other generations. Then it's more likely to use social for discovering a new product, keeping up for the news, and reaching out to brand with customers care needed. According in the Q1 2024 Sprout Pulse surveys, league breakdown which platform occupy most of their time online and the types of content you exchange with there. Which platform doesn't Gen Z use and why? According to the 2024 social media content strategy report, 91% of Gen Z social media users are on Instagram and another 86% are on TikTok, making this platform the most popular for Zoomers. Gen Z is the most likely to use both channels for entertainment and connecting with friends and family. Digging deeper into how they use certain from Gen Z customers report where TikTok is their favorite channel to trends and product discovery closest and followed by and Instagram and same report found and they also most likely a TikTok and Instagram is showing the data newsletter Instagram is customer care. What your brand content doesn't generate engage with our tips to most uses channel Instagram TikTok generate is most likely to engage with brand posts that include short form video or statics engage per the 2024 social media content study report. What interesting is that they also most likely to watch long form video on YouTube. Their third most used channel. Lewis channel, all these channel and formats could be interconnected. We all having short attention spans to go along with our preference for from video. But it's interesting to see Gen Z broadcasters uploading 2 hours long episode to their silence and dice and upload the video across short form platform. Third, Gen Z ultimately consumes all content on the most platform. On the key is understanding the nuance and culture of each platform. That doesn't mean completely recreating most posts from scratch and overtaxing your teams and bandwidth in ways as Louis illustrate charting multiple points of distribution and connection and prioritizing the platform that matters most this generation. Gen Z social media trends. Upfront warning: these are not a trend listicles that will inspire specific content ideas. For that, read our total top social media trends articles. As Gen Z has matured, the oldest member of the generation are their late 20s and they spend more time under marketers' microscopes. Thoughtlines have emerged that give us insight into how they think about social and its future. Brands are beginning to understand that keeping up with the lighting space trend culture as a node or key in their lasting loyalty and Gen Z customers want to break from being completely online to kind of. These trends map out of futures of Gen Z social media habits of gives cultures that reveal that its take a build lasting and brand resonance. Growing trust in influencers and creators. Or according to the 2024 Influencer Marketing Report, influencer trust is holding steady but growing in some pockets, especially among young consumers. Nearly 40% of Gen Z consumers trust influencer more than did they a year ago. This surge in trust isn't necessarily because Gen Z find influencers and creators more authentic. Only 35% rank authenticity as the top trend they care about. For Gen Z authentically at force value can seem for performative. Instead, they look for other signs of credibility like follower count, posting frequency, and long-term brand affinity. As the influencer economy continues to grow, Gen Z will certainly continue to expect and favor brands that partner with the influencer is unique way for brands to make their investment count and need to find influencers with credibility in niche communities who are the genius fans of their brands. This heightened by most brand LED activisms. The suits of brands putting out advertising out of the last 5 years largely backfilled, especially with deciding zoomers. Many brands were focused of getting hits wrong, overwhelming this audience of performing or bolster the bottom line. Sprouts 2019 hashtag brand that Reals report found that 70% of consumers then believed it was important for brand to have a public stance on social and political issue. The 2023 Sprout Social Index told a different story. Only a quarter of customers said the most memorable brands speak out about causes and news that align with their values. But Gen Z doesn't want brands to become completely agnostic. They want the activism but on the to be passive to influencer. They partner with almost all Gen Z agree they expect the influencer to take a stand of social issues. Per RQ2 2024 Sprout Pulse surveys, the emergence of influencer activism a signal how to younger consumers don't just turn on these online personalized personalities for product decks and that many influencers are persons to speak out of events they were all or under informed. The same surveys found almost half of customers will unfollow brand if they work with influencers that don't align with their audience values. Considering 68% of consumers follow brands to stay up to date of new product and service. Losing followers can have serious revenue implications. Even thought brands are no longer expectations to comment on most social and political issue. There are growing pressures to find influencer ad clearly. Understanding your Gen Z influence audience value of impressive for meaning their expectations to practice making it the content. Brand Gen Z folk and social medias are social brands as a Lewis critical system of approval. Top given Gen Z and news and AI interest how brands are looking to their communities to inside the end presence. Give your brand a Gen Z glow up, speaking Gen Z language about handled fruits and drink and arrow. Giving your Gen Z glow up and Gen Z contents and looking for an social download the 2024 social media content strategy report. सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।